This is Skype App. This app will be used by the teachers and students with the purpose of fostering learners' oral production. I'm going to let you know how this app is configured and what learners and teachers will do with this app. Here we have chats, calls, contacts, and notifications. Here students will write down teachers' Skype accounts and they will send teacher their friend request. When the students appear in this list, so teachers will join them to this group, Learning English Easily. In this group, teachers will let students know when and what time students will have to take the video conference. To make a video conference, we have to click on this icon. So when the teacher made the video conference, the students who will take part of the video call will answer it, and teachers and students will have a speaking practice based on the videos students will have to upload on EasyClass platform. It must be said that students won't be able to take part of this video conference if they have not uploaded the video on EasyClass platform. As I was saying before, this app will be used with the purpose of fostering speaking skills in the students who have an A1 level.